Hi everyone, my name is Shrika. I'm studying in 8th class in Dunes International School. Today, I'm coming up with an experiment. In this experiment, we need a recycler box, some tissues, fenugreek greens, and water. First, we have to put these tissues on this recyclable box. Now, we have to pour some grains like this. You should not pour that much, but a little. And now we have to cover it with some more tissues like this. And last, we have to pour some water on this. Like that. Now after a few days, these grains will grow.